That's right, part two of Quartz fragrance collection. In this joint, we're gonna go over tier two in the collection holder case thingy back there. Stay tuned. What's good, party people? It's your boy Court. Just another fragrance review that should be sprinkling across the screen as we speak. Before we get into some business, let's get into some business. Follow me on my things at CourtMC on both Instagram and Twitter. The Real JAFR on TikTok. Again, not really active on TikTok as much as I probably should be. Trying to figure that out. Like I said, if you have any tips, trips, ideals, tips, I'm sorry, tips, trips, you know what I'm saying. Ideals, let your boy know so we can go ahead and get that popping. If you're new, I'm glad you're here. Like I said, my name is Court. Review fragrances here is kind of in the title. But we also talk about how to buy, where to buy, what not to buy, but not to pay for said fragrances. Wash your ass, lotion your skin, brush your teeth. It's a whole package. If you're here for the first time, glad to have you. See that little button down there is probably red. Go on ahead and hit that joint. Turn it gray, hit the bell so you know when I post new videos on the regular. Just don't come here being a looky-loo, man. It's weird. You know what I'm saying? Stay for a while. Glad to have you. Anyway, like I said in the intro, this is part two of my collection. The middle tier, I guess, is 4 tiers, or the second tier. The first one should actually be popping up somewhere in this general area right now. So yeah, check that joint out. Go ahead and look at that one too, as along with the other videos that are popping up there too. So let's get into it, man. Second tier of Quartz collection. Dun dun dun. I don't know why the suspenseful music, but some sort of white. All right, I'm back. So here's a quick recap. The top section is just where I keep my decants and joints that did not fit on the little cupcake holder display things. Actually, like I said, I got those from Amazon, but actually an ex-co-worker of mine bought them for me for Christmas. They bought 3 of them. I bought 1 myself. Anyway, here's tier 1. Just kind of recap, y'all can see what it is. Video popped up, so y'all can go ahead and check that out so y'all get a more in-depth look at those. That's tier 1. Now let's get to tier 2. I'll take a seat real quick. That's fast. Here's tier 2. As you can see, right here, trying to keep my hands out the way, which I didn't do in the last video. So that's tier 2, and we'll start right up here at the front since it's the easiest. So we got the ever popular or non-popular, however you want to look at it, La Nuit de L'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. You know, some people love it, some people hate it. Right next to it, you got another YSL joint. It's L'Homme Intense or L'Intense, I don't know, whatever. Next to that, man, you got my baby, man. Again, I love this joint. I hate the fact that it's been discontinued. If somebody has a backup bottle, every time somebody has a backup bottle, I don't have the cash or the money to buy it. I think the next time I see something like in a swap group, I'm gonna go ahead and cop this. That's a Guerlain IDL cologne. Next to that, you got a L'Oreal Sport Chanel. You know what I'm saying? Behind that, we got, and hopefully I don't knock stuff over, Tom Ford's Noir. And I'm not even gonna try to say the bottom word. Y'all know what that is. You know what I'm saying? Not gonna get me saying it and be all messed up in the game. Anyway, next set you got Aqua Dijo Profundo. Also, that one is a tester that I got from the spot I go to here in Dallas, Classic Fragrance. Y'all seen that video before where I actually picked that joint up, I think. Next to that, you got Versace Man. Oh, fresh. I know how I feel about this joint. This is also a tester. Wish I had a cap for it, man. If anybody got a cap on an empty bottle they ain't using anymore, man, let your boy know. Next to that is Indie House. It's Kieran NYC, and this is Santal Sky. Dope fragrance. If you haven't checked out Kieran NYC, dope house. All the fragrances are cruelty free, vegan, etc., etc., and they're not badly priced either. Back you got Versace Dylan Blue. Next to that you got Tiffany and Company. Tiffany in Love, been featured in videos before, definitely a sense of the days, and I think I did a joint on this one when I initially copped it from the spot I go to locally. Next to that you have, and hopefully we don't get anything to knock over, Paco Rabanne's Phantom. Let's see if I can get that in there. Paco Rabanne's Phantom. You know, I could just bring my arm out. That's how you do that. Got this joint from my sister for Christmas. Again, not necessarily happy with the performance on this joint. Smells great. Performance, definitely something to desire. And last but not least, scent of the day today. It's Parfums Vintage, limited edition. Pineapple Vintage, I'm sorry, limited edition. Creed Aventus clone, inspired by, etc., etc., was my scent of the day. And that's tier 2, everybody. We got 2 more tiers to go. You see that? Tier 3. And then all the way down at the bottom. No idea how I'm going to be able to shoot that with my hand. It is tier 4. You can sort of see that. So those are the tiers. We're at tier 2. That's what I have on tier 2. And we'll go back to our original seat. Court, future court. Give me a white baby, something different. No, I don't want the star this time. Give me like glass shattering, and then maybe a little sound effect in there. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, be right back. All right, I'm back. That was tier 2. Saw some of the joints that I have in there. I'm not putting any notes or anything like that. Just kind of want to move through them quickly. Show y'all what I have. Some of them y'all have already seen in previous videos. You have it. Those videos are down there. Anyway, tier 3 coming soon. Let me know what you think. If there's any of those joints that you want like a deeper dive in, just put it down there in the comments. We'll do a video on it or something like that. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples. Don't you dare let your peoples be funky. We can send them to your boy. Check out the We Ain't Found podcast. Links in the description. Got a new episode that went live Sunday, I believe. So check that joint out if you haven't already. You haven't, so go ahead and just check that joint out for me, man. Anyway, until next time, man. Love y'all. Y'all be easy. Be safe out there. Peace. See if we can get this remote to work on the first time, yo.